Janay, Paraw.
Load. Load. Bermejo. Traveling. Bermejo. Bola ng San Juan. Finish. Guadalupe. Yes. 2 points, Guadalupe. La Chica. Long pass. Bermejo. Shots out. On Mendoza. Talao. Dives. Rebound. Finish. Last touch. Same ball for San Juan. Baseline through N. Receive. Yeah, the shot is good. Guadalupe. 35-32. 3 points lead for Buena Suerte. Kasinchi drives in. No. Marena sa rebound. Down to Talao. Loose ball. Last touch. Same ball. San Juan. 6 minutes, 7 seconds left. 18 seconds to shoot. Bola ng San Juan. The foul. Number 30. Third foul. Bermejo. Baseline through N. Last touch. Same ball. San Juan. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Ayan, okay. May foul. Number 30. Pang-apat na. Bermejo. Substitution. Lalabas si Bermejo. Papasok si Mendoza ng Buena Suerte. Second team fouls. Buena Suerte. Pinasa sa loob. Pati siya maagaw dito kay Talao. Baseline jumper. Donero. 2 points. Ono Donero. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Kasinchi. Dito sa left corner. Down to La Chica. La Chica against Apiles. The foul. Number 14. Pires. Holding foul. First foul. Pires. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Batalo. Loose ball. Kinuha ni Talao. Talao against Mendoza. With a foul. And number 6, Mendoza. Una foul ni Mendoza. 13 fouls for Buena Suerte. 2 free throws at Talao. Second throw. Mendoza to La Chica. La Chica, tumoy sa gitna. Dito kay Mendoza, dito sa baseline. Layup on baseline. Mendoza. 5 minutes, 16 seconds left. Inside the Marena. And scores for 2. A foul. Jersey number 8. Second foul on jersey number 8. And warning for penalty Team bonus ready. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Marena, bonus shot. The team, it's deadlock. 37 all, deadlock. Last bets, ditapik, papadalas. Ditanaok. Remaining time, 5 minutes, 11 seconds. Score stands 37 all. La Chica. To his brother, La Chica, Vincent. La Chica moves inside. Jumper. It's good. La Chica. 37-39. Fix the deadlock. Finish to Talaok. He fires. Saves. Finish. Umangat. Lumayap. Wala. Natapik ang bola. Kinuha nito si Talaok. Talaok with a side step. Inside. Down to Marena. Wala. Will put that. Talaok is still out. Grabs the rebound. He'll put that. That's good. Guadalupe. Foul. Jersey number 27. Illegal use of arms. Bonus shot. Bonus free throw for Guadalupe. 39 all. 39 all. Bonus shot is out. Last touch. Bola. Anong boy na swerte. Mendoza receives. Pass to La Chica. La Chica. Dola kay Hall. Mendoza. And ball lane violation. Four minutes and 12 seconds. 39 all. Donedo. Looking for a receiver to Talaok. Just to lose ball. Kiwani Mendoza. Layup Mendoza. 4-2. 3 and 54 seconds. Finish. Down to Marena. Marena moves in. He jumps. Guadalupe. Timing yung kanyang talon. Pinag-swing. Wala pa rin. Ito si La Chica. Bigay ka La Chica with a pass back to Mendoza. And Mendoza. Again, 4-2. Foul. Number 12. Talaok. Una foul ni Talaok. Bonus free throw. Mendoza. 3 and 33 seconds. 39 to 43. 4 points. For Buenos Aires. Finish. Slows down. Finish with a crossover. Inside the paint. With a pass. Down to Talaok. Black pass to Marena. Marena. The Cahill jumper. He got it. Score stands at 41-43. Lamang pa rin ang bonus swerte ng dalawa. Bola po ng bonus swerte. Jersey number 24, La Chica. The jersey number 27, La Chica. It's in and out. The whistle blows. No foul. Substitution. Substitution. A baseline throw in. Ito. Si Paloma. Itinawag na foul.
Second foul.
Second foul, Paloma. Bonus shot. The Chica, 30 fouls for San Juan. Bonus free throw is out. 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Talao to the net. Inside pass. And the whistle blows. Same ball, same throw in for San Juan. Receives. Pines. Hesitate. Moves in. Isolation move with a jab. Don't never. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. La Chica. Dito sa high post. The pass to Mendoza. Dito sa gawin inside the paint. He jumps. No goal. Ito, nakuha ang loose ball with an unsportsmanlike foul. Ito yung tinawag. And that was number 6, Mendoza. Tinawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul. Substitution. Out again. Ball position. Ball position for San Juan. With 2 minutes and 2 minutes and 3 seconds left. 43, 45. Lamang. Team Buenas Suerte. Palomo. To finish. Finish. His spin. And have a foul. It's number 21, Kasichi. Third foul of Kasichi. Penalty situation. Third foul. Venus. First in. It's in. Second. It's out. This time. Jump ball. Same ball. San Juan. Throw in. And pass. Talao. Airball. Talao. Remaining time, 1 minute and 47 seconds with a 1-point lead for Buenas Suerte. La Chica against Castillo. Inilabas itong bola. Dito kay Mendoza. 8 seconds to shoot. Kasinci. Inside. Reverse. Is off. Kasinci for a putback. Let's go again. Oi, 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 oi. Substitution. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Warning number 27 for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Yes, a warning of jersey number 10, Guadalupe, and jersey number 27 for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Unsportsmanship.
Unsportsmanlike behavior. Pwede mo nga ng unsportsmanship. Unsportsmanlike behavior. Pwede mo. Ito galing ka na. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Yes, baseline chopper. Pablo. Di kabungan yan. Slides again. Pablo. La Chica. Pass Pamado. Last touch. Another last touch. Same ball. 54 seconds left.
Parehas lang ha. So, positive. Ganun na ganun din ha. Conference.
Foul number 12. Talaok. Second foul. Warning for penalty. Shot is counted. Foul number 6. Number 6. Castillo. Unang foul ni Castillo. Penalty, 49 seconds. Ito, mayroon na. Foul number 6. Third foul, Mendoza. Penalty. Muttings, penalty situation. 39.7 seconds. First attempt. Second is good again. Dulere, 48-15. The Chica. 30 seconds to the Chica. Fires 3 points. The Chica. 22 seconds. 18 seconds. Talao. Long range. 3 points shines out. Dulere. Paldomo, wide open. Natapik ang bola sa Dulere. Nitalao. He fires again. It's out. That's that same ball. That's that number 6. Mendoza. 3.3 seconds remaining time. Tumbukon. Pinakulang bola. Ito na ako sa oras. Score po natin, 48-52. Naman pa rin, buwan na 40.